welcome to my channel Bare Beauty Basics. So today morning I thought of recording this video. If you are looking at a way of getting ready in the morning quickly with just using 3 products, I have this video for you. So also send this to someone who is struggling with makeup just using 3 products, and I'm absolutely loving these 3, okay, not including the brush. This is Love Child by Masaba. This is her new skin tint, and I'm using Milk Cosmetics. It is currently available on Sephora India. So prior to this, we didn't have Milk in India, but now they have launched. So that's a good news, and I absolutely love Milk products. So I'm using the Milk Contour and also the Milk Cheek and Lip Tint, um, lip and cheek stick. Okay, so these 3 products. How can you get ready quickly? Let's get started. So I'm just directly placing the product, dotting it all over my face. Like so. You need very, very little amount. Okay, and you could also use your fingers, but I feel it's much faster if you use a brush. I'm looking at my mirror, so that's why I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm looking at the mirror. So this skin tint is very, very easy to use. It blends in no time, and also it gives pretty good coverage. So that's what I love about this specific skin tint. I've used the Maybelline one, but this is better than that. It's a little pricey for being a skin tint, but the quality speaks for it. It took just a minute to blend right into my skin. And it has a tacky finish to it. So if you want a little more coverage, you can go ahead with a foundation or a concealer, and this is going to act as a primer. If you want to build the coverage, you can do that too. So I have popped an acne here, and that is giving me trouble. So let it marinate here for some time, and as it stays on, the coverage builds up. Okay, as it dries there, the coverage builds up. And just lightly pat it for it to dissolve into the skin and give you that flawless coverage. Look how it vanishes. The color that I picked is slightly lighter than my face skin color, but it matches my neck. But if I use a bronzer or a contour or something to shape my face, it works out pretty well for me. So right there, your face looks a lot more presentable. And now it's time for some color. I'm going to add a little on my lips first. taking some from my lips to my nose, whatever is left on my finger. Adding some color on your nose, I find it cute. A lot of people don't prefer using it. It's up to you. And dabbing some on my cheeks. The color that I'm using here is called Muse. So this is a very pretty color that would show up on any skin tone, be it dark, very dark, medium. Adding a little more. This is kind of a clean girl makeup routine that you can do with barely a few minutes. Just even toning your skin with a tint, adding some color back with a cheek and lip and cheek color, some color on your lips, does everything. And now you can also skip this if you don't want to contour, but I feel it helps a lot. So I'm going to contour here, a little bit here, and my nose, probably my chin. So the quantity that you get here is very, very limited. It's very little, but you don't really need a lot because the pigment is very, very strong with milk products. So just a little goes a really, really long way. Blends very, very easily. You don't even need brushes for this. See how chiseled my nose looks. And the color that I'm using here is Stoked, and it's a very, very good color for contouring. And that's it. This is the look. I would not do anything. If you want to go ahead, you can always add mascara, you can powder your face, but for an everyday look, I would stick to this. This is comfortable, this looks nice, this looks presentable, and that's it for today's look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Share it with somebody who's struggling to do a quick makeup routine every single day before going to office or getting ready for the day. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.